Today we would like to show how to operate on the Gerafold 100. To fold the document, we needed to release the latch, open the machine, take our documents, lay down our document face down, facing the lead edge on the folder, take the lever, and then start to fold. We use the latch, we open, and we get our document precisely folded and reduced the copy length in end panels 21 cm. To get the cross fold, we can take our document, feed it on the guide, make it the first fold to 97, and we can insert a second time, and we can get our documents fan folded and cross folded.